Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have this Imperial TV. As you can see, it's an Imperial TV, you have the remote. So this is the Imperial brand. And of course, if you are having a case where your apps are crashing, let's say any app, could be Netflix, it could be YouTube or whatever it is, all right? So in the case that the app is crashing on your TV constantly and you need to fix it, or for example it's extremely slow, especially if you've been using the TV for a while, you can actually clear the cache off these apps, all right, or give them a reset. First thing you're gonna do guys is go ahead and you're gonna go across, then you're gonna select settings. Once you're in here, you're gonna search for apps. As you can see here, this app, and of course you see your apps here, but this is the quick view, so you can go to see all apps. Now you'll search for your app by name. I'm going to use YouTube as the example. So let's say, for example, YouTube, you're going to select, you see the version and so on. So what you're going to do here is that you can control the app from here, but the key ones here is clear cache. So for example, clear cache, and you can select it to say it will clear the data. Do note, you might have to sign back in and it will clear the data, to clear the cache, and you can also clear data. Now do note, especially clear cache will not log you out, but if you select clear data, it will log you out. Normally, if your app is crashing, it's a good idea to give it a refresh, so it's okay, it will clear all the data. And of course, once you relaunch the app, whatever it is, chances are it will be as if it's the first time you are running the app. And usually if your app is crashing, it will fix it. You can do the same for Prime Video. Doesn't matter what you have installed, whatever it is. It should be able to clear whatever it is that's giving issues, all right? So it's very intuitive and straightforward, all right? So I do hope this was helpful, and as always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.